Welcome back to another Buc-ee's construction update video on the channel. Today is Saturday, January 4th.
2025.
It's a new year.
Yes, it is.
We're down here in Huber Heights, Ohio, the site of the First Buc-ee's in the state of Ohio. Bringing you a construction update, and today we can tell you that the fuel tanks are in the ground.
Yay! Progress.
They're out there working right now. It's about 22, 23 degrees outside.
A little windy.
But they're out there filling in the hole where the fuel tanks were placed. There's also some activity. One of the old gas station locations that was up by the main road where they have some storage containers. They're doing some work in there, rearranging some equipment or swapping out some equipment. Not real sure what they're doing. We were down here on New Year's Day before they put the fuel tanks in the ground, and we got a picture of the crane. The crane actually had a Buc-ee's flag hanging on it, which was kind of neat. It's not over there today, but we'll insert that picture here. They're also doing some work out on the foundation where the building is going to go. I see a lot of different places where they've dug a hole, probably for plumbing, things like that. They're going to go with the building. But how about those power poles, Sonia?
Still intact. Have not been moved yet by AES.
So that's definitely going to have to happen, and it's going to have to happen soon. So
I'm pretty sure you can't really do much with the building until they're actually out of the way.
So anyhow, we're starting to see some progress.
A little live action.
Yeah, we got some live construction action going on out there. Now tomorrow, this area is supposed to get hit with Winter Storm Blair. It's supposed to bring about 6 inches of snow to this area down here, so that can't help progress. I'm not sure how much they can do in conditions like that, but by the time you're watching this video, that storm will already be passed, and we'll know if it really hit or if it didn't. Sometimes they like to predict for...
they like to go in the high range of the snow threat, so you go to the store more often.
Get that toilet paper.
Yeah, get that toilet paper and
milk
bread.
And bread. Yeah, we live about 30 miles north of here, and this location is right on I-70, and I-70 looks like it's to be the line between the really heavy stuff and the not so heavy stuff, but a little shift one way or the other, and we could really get pounded up north, and I don't know. You can't really predict the weather, but by the time you're watching this video, you'll know how it all shaked out. Well, it's good to actually show you some progress on these construction update videos. That's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel to keep watching these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.